Welcome back, DrumFam. We are here with yet another installment of a mini lesson for you. This is the Rimshot Drummer here. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hey, if you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button in the bottom, hit the notification bell. So today's mini lesson, we're going to talk about a 16th note groove pattern. We're also going to talk about a regular groove pattern, and we got a little something spicy at the end. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that we're going to do today, guys, is a 16th note pattern. A 16th note pattern. 16th notes are 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. So we're going to have that going on our hi-hat today. We're going to be on 2 and 4 on the snare. And for starters, we're going to start off just going straight 4 on the floor or just straight 4 quarter notes. Boom, 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 boom on the kick drum. And then we'll kind of change it up a little bit, okay? So grab your sticks, play along. There you have it. The 16th note pattern on the hi-hat. 1E and the 2E and the 3E and the 4E and a. All right? Very, very easy. Very, very easy. All right. Our next pattern in today's mini lesson is just a regular groove. It's a regular pocket groove. 4/4 time still. We are on 8 notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the hi-hats. Here we go. was beat number 2. That was just a regular funk groove, funk pattern. Okay? Now we're going to go a little bit fancier on the groove, on the funk pattern. And it goes a little something like this. Now that may have been a little challenging on the kick with that pattern, but that's cool because that's more of an intermediate groove. Like I said, it's a little bit fancier, if you will, but we're just trying to get you to go up from that beginner basic level to more of an intermediate level. Okay, so that groove should help your foot coordination for sure, your right foot coordination with your left hand on 2 and 4. So let me know in the comments below if you were able to get that pattern down and stay in time playing along with me on that. I'd love to hear your feedback. Travis? All right. So finally, today, the little something spicy that I was talking about, we're going to do a little rumba groove. These are grooves, today's lesson are grooves that we can use, we can add to your toolbox, to your tool bag, if you will, so that you can apply them in different situations, whether you're playing different genres or different situations. You can always use a variation or any variation of these grooves. We're just trying to give you a foundation, okay? Remember, we're not doing anything all chop-ish and all that stuff. We're just trying to get some basics down for you, okay, to get you up and playing quickly. All right, so having said that, our last groove is a rumba. We'll be right back. All right, now, for the rumba groove, here we go. 4 for nothing. All right, that's all it is. So we play it a little faster. That's it. That's today's mini lessons, guys. I hope that you liked the lessons. I hope it was fun and challenging to you. Please click the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell. Thank you for your support. We appreciate you helping us grow this channel, and we're glad that we can help you in any way. Reach out. Leave me some comments down below about how you're liking these lessons. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.